got drums. You got the frequencies under the drums coming through. This frequency is intuition. Need it. In here, the other room. We just seriously smoked. Seriously. I started laughing. I began to laugh, and on the TV was the doctor that fired my dad from getting his pain medicine. Hilarious. Mark Malone. Then they were saying something, I don't know, something. They're doing something. And someone else, I think he's the pest control guy. He's holding a guava. Look, maybe it was an apple, okay? Maybe it's an apple. He's holding it when I was saying, this is apple pie. It's actually guava cake. It's not, we don't have apple pie. It's not apple pie. You hear this intuition? Do you hear it? Does it move you as it moves me? It should. I just want it to. Want it to. Want it to. For you. For you. And then on the Timcast, they're talking about, there was this girl that played guitar, and she would get X amount of views. And then I went through her feed and looked at this one time, she got 200,000 people watching her play guitar songs. And what did she do different? She put her boobs out. She had her boobs out on the guitar, and she played. I don't know who they're talking about. I don't have any boobs. Can't pull them out. Alright. I could put my nuts on the drum set. Like in Step Brothers. Pull the sack and just... That's inappropriate. It's not appropriate. You think it's appropriate? That's why you're not going to be no drums for you.
I'll check with you. I'm trying to leave next week, but I'll check with you.
It's gone.
And I got you. And
But now we're going to walk it into bliss. We're just going to take it on in. We're going to walk it on through. Here we go. Going into bliss. I'm just playing around.
Now, we have the bliss frequency. It is 9 hertz, they say, for bliss. Now, Dan Winter has all these charts and graphs for how your caduceus on your body collapses into that powerful, through your blood and shit. Think about it. Move it through your body. Like, imagine fire collapsing into your blood and it like going ching. Feel it. You feel the power inside of your density. Your density would change. You would feel like you're able to push more energy to jump up, or you'd feel like you have more energy to lock in with the gravity of the earth and not be pushed over. It's very strange when the force multiplier gets played in of bliss. Human bliss process. See, and all we have to do is transform our normal day-to-day energies that we experience, being pissed off, being upset, being lackluster love. Like we feel loving, but with no real thing happening. after that. Sort of an aimless, retarded form of love. It's not good enough. We've got to start harnessing all these emotions that we feel. All these emotions that we feel. We bring them in, we breathe them in, and we run them through the furnace, the triple burner. Using frequencies and sounds, arts, props. I like this. For harvest time is near. It's good for cutting through vines and shit. It really is. It is good for gathering grapes. It's excellent. It's an excellent tool to have. Keep it very sharp. Put it on a pole. I like to have one of these and a few machetes. Obviously, trident. Who doesn't need a trident? Shit. I got river action going there. That trident's pretty much one of the most badass things to have while being in the water that you're just up to where you can barely touch. Trident's good because you can fucking stick it and pull yourself along and still, because like if you're in a river that's running, it's going to suck your ass down the way. So you want to be able to stick the trident in there and hold on. And then if you dive, you can move the trident and stick and move, because sometimes the water will push you away. Not always. And sometimes you won't have a chance. Your trident ain't doing shit, because you know how water is. Water be expressive. Water be expressive of power when it's all around you. It really does. You got to be at the mercy of the water, because if you were to not be able to float, imagine just sinking to the bottom of some water. How horrible that would be. Or if you had some concrete boots. Imagine if you had some styrofoam boots. Big ass styrofoam boots. Instead of concrete blocks to sink to the bottom of the ocean, you just flip upside down. It's a song. You just drown upside down. Nobody wants that. So there's different things that we have to do. And I wanted to take advantage to show this, I've got these two little speakers, and I put them underneath the drum. I add a little bit of Step Brothers nutsack action. John Bonham for real. And it's so nice.